10 incredible facts about parrots. Parrots are vibrant and intelligent birds, known for their ability to mimic human speech and their colorful feathers. But did you know there's much more to these birds than just their imitation talents? Let's explore some fascinating facts about parrots. 1. Natural mimics. One of the most well-known characteristics of parrots is their ability to mimic sounds and words. This ability is due to the complexity of their syrinx, the vocal organ of birds. 2. Long lifespan. Many parrot species have a long lifespan, living for decades in captivity. 3. Varied diet. Parrots have a very diverse diet and eat fruits, seeds, nuts, and even small animals. 4. Prehensile feet. Parrots' feet are unique, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, allowing them to grasp objects firmly. 5. Advanced intelligence. Studies show that parrots have an intelligence comparable to that of some primates, being able to solve complex problems and use tools. 6. Sociability. Parrots are social animals and live in groups, forming strong bonds with their mates and offspring. 7. Monogamy. Many parrot species are monogamous, forming pairs for life. 8. Vibrant colors. The vibrant colors of parrot feathers serve to attract mates, camouflage, and communication. 9. Threatened with extinction. Due to the illegal wildlife trade and the destruction of their habitats, many parrot species are threatened with extinction. 10. Diversity of species. There are over 350 species of parrots, each with unique characteristics and adapted to different environments.